Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started.
What's going on, guys? Chart Slinger here with ZeroToHeroTrader.com. I just want to give you a quick little recap of my trades this morning. So far, it's about 9:25 a.m. Central Time. I'll just go over what I did this morning. So the first trade I took was right around here. I was trading the RTY, or the Russell 2000 futures contract. So the first one I took was right here at this 1554.30 level, right at the break of this, or anticipated the break of this support right here, because SPY was selling off, the tick was looking pretty good for that, and we had the red dots and the red candles from the ZTH scalper script, so I went ahead and took that short and got it for a nice $115 trade there. So that was a nice trade on the first one, and after that it kind of just chopped around a little bit, but still pretty weak. So I was just waiting for something else to happen. These next two signals I didn't take because the tick was just kind of hanging around zero and looking really choppy, as was SPY, so I didn't take those. So I was just kind of watching Amazon, and Amazon at the same time was kind of starting to look really weak, so ended up getting an Amazon puts right about here, and you can see it had already fired short and was coming down, and it already hit that profit target, but it's still looking really weak. The moving average is moving away still, and also you can see the TTM squeeze is showing us that it's pretty bearish, so hopped in puts there. I don't remember which puts I took. Maybe the 1880s, I think. Maybe the 1880 puts, about $750, or $7.50 for those puts. But anyway, just took those for a nice quick $55 scalp in the Amazon puts, and came away with $170 so far on the morning. So I might just call it there and call it good for the day. I got some other stuff to do today. But anyway, that was my morning trade recap for June 24th, and we will see you in the chat or in the next video. Later. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at ZeroToHeroTrader or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Peace.